In this video, we are going to create a chart by using Microsoft Office Charts. Here is the Mail and Deploy Designer with a new template. Now I will show you the app. I want to export this chart here on the right as a table and feed it to a Microsoft Office chart. We will look up the total revenue by product group chart now in the data source browser. So let's go back to the Mail and Deploy Designer. Here you can type in the name of the chart. And there we have it. As we will export the chart as table, we create a new table element. Here we have it. Now we go to the content editor. In our Excel we click Insert, and then we select a two-dimension column chart. Now right-click on the placeholder and click Edit Alt Text. In this field, we can add the code of the table element by simply copying and pasting it. Before and after the code we insert %signs. Now we have to change the insertion mode. Scroll down here and select Fill MSO Chart. We can add a title as well. And now we run the preview. Here we have our native Excel chart with the information from Qlik. And that's it. Thanks for watching.